Welcome to the MyForex Edge Ultimate Forex Software Trading Tool tutorial. Consider yourself very, very fortunate for finding your way onto this website. You're about to listen in on a tutorial about how to use the software and why. There are 3 steps in creating and making a Forex trade with our software program. First step, gather the information, the parameters of your trade. Feed these numbers into our software program in the yellow box areas. And then step 3, decide to take action and place your order-trade with your broker. Here we are on the main page of the software program. Now let's go back to a chart in which you may be creating the parameters of your trade. Obviously, this is just an example. You may be receiving signal alerts or other types of software programs or charts, or listening to friends or relatives or whatever source you're using. On this example, we are using the euro and the US dollar on a 15-minute chart. Now, in order to be successful in Forex trading, you have to know why you are trading. You have to know your buy or sell price, your stop price, and you have to know your limits. Here we have a divergence on the chart. I like this trade. The price is going up at the same time the RCI indicators are going down. So I decide on my sell price, and the logical stop support price is here. My logical limit will be to go down to this channel at this support level there, and I determine my prices. Now I have 2 choices: simply do nothing or place a trade with my broker. Say we decide to move forward with this trade, we take the parameters and go to my Forex Edge software program, and now back to step 2. We start feeding the trade parameters into the software program. Wherever you see a yellow box, you must input correct information in order for our software program to work effectively. First, we input the total value of our account with this broker. Let's see what the example, for example, we'll put $10,000. Now, in the second box is the maximum percentage amount you wish to risk on this particular trade. As a footnote, most top Forex pundits recommend trading between 2 to 5% at most on any particular trade. For this example, we will use 4% as maximum risk on the total account at risk for this particular trade. Now, let's move on over to the pip cost box towards the top right-hand side of the program. The pip cost is determined by your broker. Whenever the USD is the close currency, it is $1. Whenever the US dollar is the base currency, the price fluctuates. Again, this information is provided by your broker. The other currencies will also fluctuate in pip costs. Now let's move back over to the buy or sell box on the left-hand side in the middle. For this example, we are using the no decimal place module. Since different traders have different habits, we have included 3 distinct modules for placing decimals. The USD model has 4 or more decimals, while the Japanese yen usually trades with numbers with 2 decimal points. Okay. Back to the buy or sell box. We have input the numbers 1, 4, 2, 3, 6. And now at the stop box, we are inputting 14280. And our limit price is going to be 14125. 14125. Now we have all the correct information we need for this particular trade, and we go to the far right-hand corner and click the Calculate button. Now you have detailed information regarding your trade, your account, the amount, the risk, the main parameters that consistently successful Forex traders take in consideration with every trade. And it is there for you in this easy-to-use all-in-one software program. Now, without this information, are you really going to be the most effective at money management of your account, your trades, your long-term profits? I mean, really, think about it. Our humble opinion is that this tool, simple yet very powerful, is what every Forex trader should be using. Even if a Warren Buffett didn't have a sound money management system, a risk-reward strategy, he wouldn't be the successful investor he is, even with the best buy or sell information. Some top Forex traders claim that success is 80% money management and mental management. This tool can help you with both of those. Now let's go back to the red dollar risk button, the third button from the top right hand side. The red dollar risk button lists what's your maximum dollar amount that could be at risk. With this particular trade setup, it's $400. The graph in the top middle is a visual representation of your risk to account size. This helps you reduce the risk of over-leveraging, over-risking on specific trades. Now, if the red graph doesn't look right, you can go back to your numbers in the yellow boxes to the left and make sure you have input the correct risk and total amount in your account. In this example, you can see that you are staying in a safe trading zone. Now, moving to the red risk per pip box in the middle, you have the amount of pips at risk and the dollar amount of those pips to the right as well. Again, we feel that the deeper sensory knowledge that we can give you with the My Forex Edge software program will make you a much better, successful long-term trader. Then below in the green buttons, we list for you the total amount of pips you may gain as well as the dollar amount of those pips per lot. Let's go back to the graphic on the bottom left-hand corner. This is a highly effective graph to show what this trade is about, allowing you to double check what you're aiming for. Obviously, this could come in very handy to reduce mistakes and any errors in your trades. Now let's swing back to the right-hand side of the program. We have the green risk and reward boxes. This is a very powerful information for you to know. In this example, we have a 1 to 2.52 ratio of risk and reward. This is telling us for every dollar we risk, the reward is at $2.50. The actual amounts are shown below. In this particular trade example, we have $396 at risk and a possible reward of $999 if the trade is successful. Now we have the amount of lots to purchase and a visual representation next to the box as well. This is huge. This total program to us is imperative for any Forex trader to be as profitable as possible. Back to the top right, the pie chart is another visual to keep track of this trade. It will help you better understand all of your past, present, and future trading. Now, going back to the charting software example, you have decided on the buy, stop, and sell parameters, but keep in mind that this is not enough to be a successful long-term profiteer. With the My Forex Edge software program, you can quickly keep track of your risk reward, your dollar amounts, and percentages, and create instant lot awareness that makes sense. Back to the program. We will lose $396 if we are wrong, or win $999 if we are correct. Obviously, minus the spread. Step 3 is you go to your broker's trading platform and place to trade. If you are disciplined, you may only make trades that are 3-to-1 risk ratios. Others feel comfortable to 1-to-1 risks. When you can track everything visually and reduce errors from miscalculations, you are now at a much stronger position than any other Forex traders who do not use our software program, or at least if there's anything else like it out there. Plus, for the first 2,000 purchasers, we have some amazing new products coming in 2008, and you will also receive upgrades, enhancements to the software program when they do become available. Now we've added an extra bonus example from our Forex Genie Signal Alert, our sponsor here, and we have